Yeah, my name is Eddie Jimenez. I'm from Eastern Washington. My biggest takeaway of this event it's really mindset. I came here because I was struggling a lot with my business. Like I was feeling a little bit stuck. And I feel like a little bit more comfortable like moving forward after just being here for a day and a half. So I appreciate that.
My name is Cheryl Ravelis-Pinto and I am from Connecticut. I am so grateful for Javier and Marissa, all the other coaches out here that we have. The mindset has expanded and I'm just grateful for all the human beings that I've been able to be connected with. I would recommend it to everyone. I always recommend Javier and Marissa.
Hi, I'm Katrine Bottle and I live on St. Thomas, yes, Richmond. And what I really like is that like this community, we like more about exchanging so many ideas and meeting people in the same field, and it's so inspired. My thoughts about my business approach have completely changed. My mindset has completely shifted. It's just completely life-changing, and I would recommend it to anyone out there who's not really sure if they should go ahead or not. Definitely do it. I mean, we have nothing to lose.
My name is Jamie Bensick. I'm from Tampa, Florida. The one takeaway that I took is to try to think outside the box for your business and not trying to have it all planned out, and just let the fear go and take the risks, do the investing. If you need to invest in something for your business, just do it because you're going to make your investment back. So I feel so much more like I can do it after just listening to this event, talking to everybody. It's been awesome. I would say it was 100 times over what I thought it was going to be.
Hi, I'm Beth Ferguson. I'm from the southeast Iowa, west central Illinois area. I've gotten so much value, and I'm so excited that I did because I've met amazing people here and gotten so much energy, and it's been so eye-opening and the best experience so far.
So my name is Jennifer Gillian. I am from Toledo, Ohio. This couple of days has just been so great. I expected to learn some things. I did not expect to have my mind blown. Javier and Marissa are amazing, and they just bring so much energy, so much fun, so much life into everything that they do. It's just an amazing experience. You won't regret it.
I'm Nick Limke. I came from Seattle, Washington. The mindset shifts, the community, the total experience from this, and I totally believe in Marissa and Javi. And so I highly recommend working with them in general.
Hi, I'm Lucy Hutchings and I'm from New Hampshire. It's been totally incredible to be with people and totally tons of mindset shifts, and just being with people is incredible because I think they believe in me more than I believe in myself, and that's just so supportive. It's going to change my business.
I'm Helen and I'm a dietitian from Vancouver, Canada. I had expectations because I know that Javier and Marissa like to over-deliver. They mostly do for a lot of things. For Javier and Marissa, they really go to lengths to try to find the best guest speakers and get their mentors as well so that they can help us.
This is Fran Lawn. I have a business called Silver Fox Nutrition, and I just wanted to say hey to all of you. And if you're a nutrition professional, if you're wanting to start a business as an entrepreneur, the one thing that I would say is don't hesitate. Move forward. Think about connecting with folks at this revolution. What I can say as a business owner, they're here to support you and help you reach not only your financial goals, personal goals, and business goals. It will transform your life. So I would just say, do it.